Hey there, quick tutorial on how I'm finding cold callers and lead managers for online VAs using the site onlinejobs.ph. Here's my screen, and so I'm just going to walk through the ads that I just posted here today and show you what I did, and then kind of where we go from here. So I'm finding a cold caller, and so I called it a leads manager, and I posted 2 ads this morning. This one on top was actually the first. It was a copy of an old ad that was successful for us. And then the second ad is a shorter title and then just slightly modified job description. So I'm going to show you what this one looks like. The first one that we posted, 3 applicants and 32 hits. The second one that we posted, 16 applicants and 204 hits. So inside one day, we're actually only at like 6 hours right now since we've posted this. But a drastic difference both in traffic and applicants. So let's see what the difference is. But this is an important point that I like to do, is to split test both titles and the body and see what resonates with the current pool of applicants and then double down on that one. So let's look at the first one that's not working as well. So I added some emphasis here, right, with the stars, and then a long description, real estate lead manager. So it's very specific, and then growing U.S. company. And so here's our ad. So you can see the copy here. So I'm talking, more about the company a little bit, and then, hyping us up and saying that we're seeking our next superstar team member. And then here you can see that I talk about some things that resonate with me, some people that resonate with me, and I'm trying to attract others that resonate with those same people. And so I talk about that first, and then it's not really until right here when I'm talking about cold calling. So the first fold of the ad says nothing about cold calling until you get here. It's talking more about values and then what we value in someone. And so then we go down and we're talking about the job a little bit here, what we offer, and then here's some weekly tasks, and then how to apply all the way at the bottom. This is kind of hidden, but that's a step that I use, not only get them to apply, but see who reads the whole ad and who can take action on doing something that I asked specifically. So this is more of a long form ad right here, but the basic structure doesn't change in the next one. So that's the long form ad that I posted. And again, this one only had 3 applicants and 33 hits, so 1 in 11 in about 6 hours. And then this second one shortened the title, made it a lot more general, right? But I have 16 applicants and 204 hits in the same amount of time. So let's see this one. So essentially the same at the top except for the USA part, but I don't think that mattered too much. But I did say no salary limit, inquire within. And so this is all the same right here at the top. This is mostly the same here. I shortened it up right here in the middle. So you only have to scroll a little bit to get to this, where you had to scroll a lot on the other ad. And so this is the first hoop that I'm asking them to jump through. Not only apply, but again, answer these questions. And so that's the difference in the 2 ads. So from here, basically, we will go and we're going to monitor both for a day. We'll probably cut this one off. We'll mark it inactive. And then we'll use this same one. We'll use this same title and a different message inside to see if we can optimize it even more to get our talent pool even bigger. So that's basically the top of the funnel and how we're attracting applicants. I'm going to do another video after this one to talk about how we qualify the applicants all the way through the funnel to minimize time and to make sure that you're interviewing the right people.